Talofa lover and welcome to Measina Treasures of Samoa, where we amplify Samoan culture. Today our Samoan phrases are all about ta'alonga, sports. Our first Samoan phrase for ta'alonga sports is Oleale ta'alonga e te ta'alo ai. Oleale ta'alonga e te ta'alo ai. What sport do you play? We just want to interrupt our phrases for today and tell you all about Measina clothing and gifts. So Measina have an online store which ships worldwide for free. So if you're looking for something that is designed by Samoans, features Samoan designs and wording, then check out Measina Treasures of Samoa. We have a range of children's clothing. There's a cute onesie. We also have beautiful t-shirts for children, like this one with the silver avi. We have a range of gifts like the 2023 Coco and Key diaries, as well as our own Measina cups. So if you're looking for a gift, if you're looking for something cute to wear and just to have every day, then check out Measina Treasures of Samoa. Support Samoan artists, designers and businesses around the world. Remember, free shipping worldwide, and you're supporting a great cause. Thank you so much. Now back to Samoan phrases. Our next Samoan phrase about sports is O te whiawhia e ta'alo I le soka. O te whiawhia e ta'alo I le soka. I like to play soccer. Our next Samoan phrase about sports is Olea lo tūlanga. Olea lo tūlanga. What is your position? Our next Samoan phrase about sports is O te whia ta'alo mo le toa Samoa pea o matua. O te whia ta'alo mo le toa Samoa pea o matua. I want to play for Toa Samoa when I grow up. Thank you for joining us here at Measina Treasures of Samoa. We hope that you have enjoyed this video. If you liked it and learned something, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you would like to support our channel, please subscribe now. Press that red button and the bell so that you get notifications when we make new videos. Now, our little quiz for today is, were you paying attention? Ta'alonga. Ta'alonga is what in English? Tell me in the comments. Thank you so much for joining us here. Whakataitele lava and tō whāsoifua.